Hey folks, a hot and dry day across the valley today, but radar showing some showers and thunder showers just to the north of our area. Take a look right along Highway 281 between the county line and Falfurrias. Some pretty heavy stuff moving down to the southwest at a pretty good clip, and there's more activity scattered back over counties to the west of that. Everything moving to the southwest, so I think if you're in Starr County, you may well see a shower or thunderstorm before this night's over with. If you're in most of the rest of the valley, we're going to have to wait and see if anything else develops, but I think you're more likely to stay dry in the coastal counties and probably much of Hidalgo County as well. Future Track takes that stuff and kind of moves it way to the west, and by the time you get to 10 o'clock tonight, yes, we have clouds, but the rain's staying way out here. So we'll watch and see how this is going to pan out, but we'll keep an eye on that northern sky tonight to see how things are going to fare over the course of the next few hours. In the meantime, tomorrow partly to mostly sunny. Could there be a sea breeze shower? Yes, but I think we're talking really isolated tomorrow, so we're still going to keep that forecast dry, but if the sea breeze comes to life, there could be a spotty shower, so mainly dry. Same thing on Friday. Saturday, where we amp the chance of rain up to 20%, slightly better option as we head into the weekend. Here's some temperatures across the region right now. 90s in the eastern half of the valley, over 100 in the west. McAllen sitting at 103, Rio Grande City at 105, Port Isabel right now at 91 degrees. Overnight tonight, about 80 or so is an average, 79 to 82 or so, mostly clear and muggy, but we are watching for that shower or thunderstorm chance in the western part of the valley. And then tomorrow, we're back up over 100 in many areas once again. 100 Harlingen and Raymondville, Weslaco 101. You get out to Rio Grande City about 104. Winds not all that strong. The island tops out about 89 tomorrow afternoon. Average high for this time of year is 96. Tomorrow's 101, 100 Friday, and then 98 on Saturday with that slightly increased rain chance. Helps to keep temperatures down just a little bit. Look at the rest of Texas. You know, it's really not bad when you get up into North Texas. 93 Dallas, 89 Dalhart, Abilene's 90. Get in the southern half of the state, though, Del Rio 101, San Antonio's 100. Laredo and McAllen both at 103 this afternoon. See this stuff moving southward right here? All this represents an upward disturbance we talked about last night at 10 o'clock about how there's this little disturbance that moved through Dallas yesterday, gave them some rain, and now it's kind of pushing in our general direction. So that's what we're going to watch for to see if maybe we'll pick up that shower thunderstorm before the night's over with. This model didn't pick up on that, so it doesn't see it. So that's why we're not necessarily believing what the NAM model has to say about that. We'll get into Friday, not much activity either. You go to Saturday, you start to see some tropical moisture come in, and by Sunday I think even more tropical moisture, so our chance for showers does go up by the time we get to early next week. It's just a question of how much are we going to see. Of course, in the Atlantic we have Depression Aaron. It was upgraded last night, downgraded again today. Then we have what's now a Hurricane Dorian. You heard more about this early in the newscast. Right now working its way over the U.S. Virgin Islands, kind of sideswiping Puerto Rico, and is going to continue pushing off in that northwestward direction. Winds are now 80 miles per hour just to the northwest of St. Thomas in the U.S. Virgin Islands. Now, watch this movement. These are the Bahama Islands back over here, likely staying east of the Bahamas. 90-mile-per-hour winds by Friday at 1 o'clock in the morning, 100-mile-per-hour winds. It continues to gain strength. By the time we get to Saturday afternoon, you're looking at a Category 3 storm, 115. Now, keep in mind, this cone of uncertainty is probably not going to be on that center dot, but it should be somewhere in this cone. Most storms stay in the cone. Not all do, but most do. So by the time we get to Sunday afternoon, you're looking at a Category 3 storm somewhere off the coast of Florida, and then it moves in across Florida and then emerges out into the Northeast Gulf after that, but likely a pretty significant storm affecting Florida over the weekend. So for tonight, partly cloudy, a little breezy early. We're watching for those thunderstorms in the west, and then tomorrow 101. Partly cloudy skies, hot and breezy, about a 5% chance of a sea breeze shower or thunderstorm. The next 3 days, we start to see the rain chances go up a little bit, but at this point, even Labor Day, just scattered storms. Yes, scattered stuff each day, but not a huge rain event, but at least the potential for rain is there. That'll bring temperatures back down closer to normal. That's your updated First Warn 5. AccuWeather forecast.